folks, I want to make this video to explain how and why we use herbs to heal. So when you go on an off-fruit protocol, the goal is to make to make the lymphatic system more efficient and to move and to get the kidneys to filter. Okay, because once the kidneys filter, you can remove all those acids that are causing the issues you have. Because the body eliminates waste. It has 100 trillion cells, and the waste it eliminates is through the lymphatic system to the kidneys. If the kidneys and the lymphatic system are backed up due to the foods you may be eating, the animal products, the dairy and the cooked starches, your lymphatic system will get stagnant. This means that the acids cannot be removed from your cells, and this will mean it will burn tissue, it will burn organs, and you have a lot of health issues. So when we're trying to get you to heal faster, we will use herbs. Herbs and tinctures are nothing new. They've been used for thousands of years, okay? So they basically are plants, and you take the plants and you extract the elements from it, and you take them like a natural medicine, so to speak. So I'll just go over a few. This is for a client who has prostate issues and who is trying to heal himself. So we want to get his kidneys filtering. It's crucial, okay? So the client suffering from poor calcium utilization because his parathyroids are not working that well. The acids have probably damaged it. So we're going to give him a parathyroid glandula, okay? These are desiccated tissue from an animal, and what it does is like a stem cell. It stimulates the healthy function of the parathyroid. The parathyroid starts working, the client should be able to use calcium properly, which means that the structures of his body, the bones, the vessels, everything will get stronger, and his skin will get healthier and more functional, so to speak. We're going to give him a stomach and bowels. This cleans the stomach and bowels. The GI tract, which is crucial, because if the GI tract is the trunk of your body, it connects it literally connects the mouth to the anus and all the organs in between. So you want that to be working well. We're going to give him something called the endocrine tonic, because the endocrine system controls all the hormones, the pituitary gland, the master gland that controls everything else. You want that to be working because the right hormone production is necessary, okay? You want the body to do its work. The next one I'm going to use is lower circulation. Because he has prostate issues, you want good blood flow with the prostate. You want it to function properly, and this is going to help. Then we have something, the kidney 4. This is it's like a diuretic, and it helps the kidneys filter and clean out, so to speak, okay? We also have, this one is adrenal glands. Adrenal glands are crucial because on the kidneys, there sits 2 adrenals on each side. I mean, 1 adrenal on each side. So the adrenals control the kidneys, and they are crucial for kidney filtration, okay? And also they control the nervous system and any automatic nerve movements you make, like breathing, like using the washroom, like heartbeats, is controlled somewhat by the adrenals. If they go down, your kidneys go down and you're in trouble, basically. Okay, so we give them adrenal tonic. Then we also have the parasite Lymph 1. Lymph, as you know, is the main sewer system of the body. So we want to get the lymph system moving so we can remove the acids of our 100 trillion cells and from the bad foods we eat. This helps it. We also want to use the kidney and bladder tonic. Okay, kidney and bladder tonic is important because, again, you want the kidneys to filter. If the kidneys don't filter, you're not going to be able to remove the acids and obstructions in the body. We're also going to give him adrenal glandulas. This is not for everybody. This is for people whose adrenals are down. And I think for him, his adrenals are really short because the kidneys are not functioning properly and he's not filtering properly. Okay, so I think I want to show you. And this here is upper brain and nerve. Again, it's for blood circulation to the head and scalp, really for hair growth, actually. And then we also have a cayenne pepper extra. This is good for heart circulation. If you have any heart blood flow issues, this helps it, accentuates it. So I hope this helped you. This is just a few of the herbs to help you understand why we use herbs. We don't use herbs unless you're on a food protocol. You can't use this on a regular food plan because the effects are not going to be the same. When the body is clean with fruits and fruits alone, and you take these, this helps you get healthier better and to get the kidneys filtering, the adrenals working, and the lymph moving. So I hope this helped you. If you have any questions, feel free and ask.